wonders. There was a magical place that no one had ever seen, a mystical island hidden far beyond the reach of ordinary maps. This island was no ordinary piece of land, it was alive. The trees, flowers, and even the stones grew, moved, and sparkled with life. They called it the magical growing island, and it was known to grow larger and more beautiful with every passing day. But there was a catch. The island would only grow when someone with a pure heart visited it. One sunny morning, Barbie received a mysterious invitation. The letter was written on a shimmering leaf, and it read, "Dear Barbie, we need your help. Our island is losing its magic, and only you can save us. Follow the rainbow, and it will lead you to the magical growing island." Barbie, always up for an adventure, packed her favorite pink backpack with essentials, her magic compass, some snacks, and her diary. She wore her sparkling blue dress, perfect for a magical journey, and set off to find the rainbow. As she walked out of her dream house, a bright rainbow appeared in the sky, arching down toward the distant sea. Barbie hopped into her pink boat and followed the colorful path. The journey to the island. The journey was filled with surprises. Barbie sailed through crystal clear waters where dolphins danced alongside her boat, and flying fish leaped joyously in the sunlight. She sang her favorite songs, and the sea seemed to sing along. After a few hours, the boat began to slow down as thick fog rolled in, covering everything in a silvery mist. Barbie's magic compass glowed, guiding her safely through the haze. Suddenly, the fog lifted, and there it was, the magical growing island. It looked like a floating paradise with towering trees that sparkled like jewels, flowers that sang with every breeze, and streams that flowed with water as clear as glass. Barbie's heart fluttered with excitement as she docked her boat on the sandy shore. As soon as she set foot on the island, a path of glowing flowers lit up, guiding her deeper into the enchanted forest. Barbie followed the path until she reached the center of the island, where a majestic tree stood tall. It was the heart tree, the source of the island's magic. Its leaves sparkled like stars, and its branches reached high into the sky. But something was wrong. The heart tree's leaves were losing their glow, and the island's magic seemed to be fading. A little fairy named Flora flew down from the tree, her wings fluttering like butterfly wings. "Welcome, Barbie," Flora said in a tiny, tinkling voice. "Thank you for coming. Our island's magic is fading because the heart tree is losing its power. We need your help to restore it." The quest to save the heart tree. Barbie listened carefully as Flora explained that the heart tree needed 3 magical gems to restore its power: the gem of growth, the gem of light, and the gem of joy. Each gem was hidden in a different part of the island, guarded by a unique challenge that only someone brave and kind could overcome. Barbie nodded determinedly. "Don't worry, Flora. I'll find the gems and save the island." Flora smiled and sprinkled some fairy dust on Barbie, giving her the ability to communicate with the island's magical creatures. With a flutter of her wings, Flora pointed Barbie toward the first challenge, the Garden of Growing Flowers. The Garden of Growing Flowers. Barbie entered the garden, which was unlike any garden she had ever seen. The flowers were enormous, and they grew taller and taller as Barbie walked past them. Some flowers were even taller than the trees. In the center of the garden, she saw the first gem, the gem of growth, sitting on a giant lily pad in the middle of a pond. But as Barbie stepped closer, the flowers started moving. They twisted and turned, forming a maze of colorful petals that blocked her path. A soft voice echoed through the garden, "To reach the gem of growth, you must solve the riddle of the flowers." Barbie smiled. She loved riddles. The flowers began to whisper, "I grow without watering. I blossom without sun. I change every season. But I am still one." Barbie thought for a moment. She looked around at the giant flowers and realized the answer was right before her eyes. "You're talking about the island itself," she exclaimed. "The island grows on its own, changes, but it remains the same magical place." The flowers swayed happily, and the maze opened up, clearing the path to the pond. Barbie carefully stepped onto the giant lily pad and picked up the gem of growth, which shimmered with a green glow. The garden sparkled brighter, and the flowers seemed to grow even taller in gratitude. The Cave of Light. The Shadow Guardian, now bathed in the warm glow, smiled and stepped aside, allowing Barbie to take the gem of light. With a grateful nod, Barbie placed the glowing gem next to the first one. The Valley of Joy. With 2 gems safely in her possession, Barbie made her way to the last challenge, the Valley of Joy. This part of the island was filled with laughter and music, where the trees giggled, and the flowers danced. In the middle of the valley, the gem of joy was floating inside a bubble. But reaching the gem wasn't easy. Barbie noticed that the joyful creatures were slowly losing their smiles, and the valley was getting quieter. Barbie walked up to a group of singing birds, who had stopped chirping. "What's wrong?" Barbie asked. A little bird with colorful feathers replied sadly, "The valley loses its joy when people forget to share happiness. To get the gem of joy, you need to make everyone smile again." Barbie thought for a moment and then had an idea. She picked up a few colorful stones and some vines and crafted a makeshift stage. She began to perform a funny dance, twirling and jumping in the silliest ways. The trees chuckled, the flowers swayed, and the birds started singing along. Soon, the whole valley was filled with laughter and music again. As everyone's joy returned, the bubble holding the gem of joy popped, and the gem floated into Barbie's hands. She thanked the valley creatures and promised to always share happiness wherever she went. Restoring the heart tree. Barbie returned to the heart tree, holding all 3 magical gems. Flora flew down excitedly, her wings shimmering brighter than ever. "You did it, Barbie!" Flora exclaimed. "Now, place the gems into the heart tree's roots." Barbie carefully placed the gem of growth, the gem of light, and the gem of joy into the tree's roots. The heart tree began to glow, its leaves sparkling with renewed energy. The entire island came alive, flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, trees grew taller and stronger, and streams sparkled with the light of 1,000 stars. The island was saved, and its magic was restored, all thanks to Barbie's courage and kindness. A magical farewell. As a token of gratitude, the heart tree gave Barbie a beautiful necklace with a tiny glowing leaf, a piece of the island's magic that she could carry with her forever. Flora and the other magical creatures gathered to bid Barbie farewell, thanking her for saving their home. Barbie waved goodbye and promised to return one day. She boarded her pink boat, and as she sailed away, the island seemed to grow even more beautiful, with the heart tree standing tall and proud. Back home, Barbie wrote about her incredible adventure in her diary, keeping the memory of the magical growing island close to her heart. She knew that no matter where she went, the magic of the island would always be with her. And so, Barbie's journey to the magical growing island became a story of bravery, kindness, and the power of sharing joy, a story that would inspire everyone who heard it for years to come. The end.